Are you interested in making money online but don't know where to start? Whether you're looking for a full-time income or just some extra cash, this video will guide you through the steps necessary to start making money online. In this guide, you'll learn about various online income streams and how to create a plan of action tailored to your specific goals and skills. The first step to take when starting to make money online is to assess your goals and skills. Determine how much time you have to invest, whether you're looking for a passive or active income, what your strengths and weaknesses are, and what you're interested in doing. There are many ways to make money online, including freelancing, affiliate marketing, selling a product or service, and more. Research each option and choose one or more income streams that align with your goals and skills. Now that you've chosen which income streams to pursue, it's time to create a plan of action. Determine how many hours you'll dedicate to your online income streams each week, create a budget, and set specific and measurable goals. In order to make money online, you need to have a strong online presence. Set up professional social media accounts, create a website or blog, and network with other people in your niche. Making money online takes time and effort. Stay motivated by tracking your progress, seeking feedback and inspiration from others, and holding yourself accountable. Be consistent in your efforts and don't give up if you don't see immediate results. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to making money online in no time. Remember to be patient, stay focused, and enjoy the process of building your online income streams.